In today's video, I'm going to show you how to Windows 10 password change. Changing your password is an important habit, whether you're improving your device's security or simply creating a new password that's easier to remember. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This key is usually located on the bottom row and features the Windows logo. Pressing it opens the Start menu, which allows you to access settings and system options. Next, click on the search bar and type Password. Windows 10's search feature helps you quickly find system settings. As you type, a list of results will appear. Look for Change Your Password and select it. Once you click on Change Your Password, you'll be taken to the Accounts section in Windows Settings. From here, locate and click on the Password option. Depending on your current setup, you'll see either Change or Add. If a password already exists, click Change. If no password is set, click Add to create one. If you selected Change, Windows will ask you to enter your current password. This step verifies your identity and helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Enter your password carefully, then click Next. Now you'll be prompted to enter your new password. Choose a password that is both secure and easy to remember. A strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid simple or common patterns like 1234 or password. After entering your new password, click Next to confirm. Finally, click Finish to complete the process. Your new password is now active and will be required the next time you log in. And that's it. Changing your Windows 10 password is a simple process once you know where to look. Regularly updating your password is an essential step in maintaining good digital security. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides.